Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be playing Don't Press the Button on Roblox. So come on, let's go. Roblox. And we're going to be joining my friend Scarlett in the game. Okay, time to play. Wait, what are we doing? Are we drinking potions? I don't want it. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, what is this game? Bro, what is this? How do you play it? Isn't it an obby? Guys, have you guys played Don't Press the Button before? Comment below. Oh, I did not know there was a laser there. I literally did not know there was a laser there. Oh my god. Seriously, I jumped on the laser! I'm already back, guys. I know it's impressive. Yeah, I'm already back. It's very impressive. Okay, I'm gonna wait for this. Perfect. Okay, now go. Can you go? Ah! Oh my god, this is so hard. I'm so bad at obbies. Like, literally. Like, if you can see me right now. This is so annoying. Okay, time's up, and I did not win any points. I did not finish at all. I want to press the button. Can I press the button? Don't fall in. What? How do we not fall in? How do we not? Oh, my friend Scarlett's dropping money. Yeah, Scarlett. House queen. Literally, look, she's dropping money. I literally can't go anywhere. Ah, how do I go? Ah! I fell. Where? I'm so sad. What if I just jump off? Oh, I can't jump off. Where? Guys, like my avatar. Comment below if you like my avatar. Yay! My friend Scarlett won. Okay, Scarlett, good job. Run from them. Where are the zombies? I don't see any zombies. Oh my god, my friend Scarlett is so fast. Like, literally, do you climb down? Oh! I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. I'm a zombie. Are you supposed to literally just jump off? I'm a zombie. I am a zombie. I don't like my skin tone. Like, what is a skin tone? What are you supposed to do? Do the obby? Ooh, I wanna do the obby. This is fun. Uh-oh, the button disappeared. Press the button if you found it. Ooh, diamonds. Where's the, oh, where is it? Where is the button? Oh, here's the button, perfect. Wait, where's the button? Oh, hi, Scarlett. Oh my god, snowball fight. What? I don't want to throw snowballs. I don't want to throw snowballs. Scarlett, you better not be throwing snowballs on me. Ah! I'm throwing snowballs everywhere. Hello, everyone. Where am I throwing these snowballs? Ooh, Rebecca's coins. Where am I throwing these snowballs? Scarlett! Oh my god! Oh my god. Revan, I think we should just agree not to all attack each other. Scarlett, you better not come for me. I have no idea what I'm saying. Yay, I won. I want a Robux coin. Quick, don't move in 2, 1. Oop! You can move now. Can you finish the maze before it disappears? Oh no. My friend Scarlett's on fire! I'm gonna try to follow this girl. I don't know where she went. Where'd she go? Oh, this is dead end, I think. Where are we going? Okay. Oh my god. Wait, where are we going? Yay! Oh my god, wait, but where's everyone? Where is everyone? Are they up here? Scarlett! Scarlett! Do you want to have a play date? Wait. Do you want to play? Do you want to play? I'm literally asking her to have a play date right now. Okay. Wait, what are we doing? Go where? Wait, what are we doing? Wait, what are we doing? Are we collecting gems? Oh, you're supposed to press the button 41 times. Okay, whoa, there's bombs coming through. Bombs coming through. Bombs. Is the key to just look up in the sky? I don't see any bombs. Do I see any bombs? Where we are, there's like no bombs dropping. I'm gonna ask, do you want to call? Oh! See, where's my friend Scarlett? Oh, my friend Scarlett. Okay, wait. Do you want to call? Send. Wait, where's Scarlett? Oh my god, she left, but whatever. What are we doing? There's just rocks falling from the sky. Literally. Ow! Ow! That actually hurt my head. Oh. There are literally rocks falling from the sky. What if I go here? Do they smash these? Do they smash these? Oh my god, this is my friend's sister. Seriously? I went bald and then I died. Wow. Addie, Hannah's playing Roblox. Okay, you know? Okay. Well, thank you guys for watching, and bye.